welcome to Simatech Integrated Solutions. We are a technological service provider. We design, build and manufacture smart liquid vending machines. For today, we have a water ATM and a bioethanol. The reason that Simatech came up with this technology is we are propagating the circular economy, just moving people from the linear way of using single-use plastics to adapting reuse of the plastics. So the beauty about our machine, it has many different functions from the regular water ATMs that you're used to seeing in Kenya. Yes. So for one, you can see 2 level tanks just on the dashboard. We have a cold option, which to us we consider a luxury. Right now there's a lot of refill businesses that are doing the room temperature refill. But we've been able to incorporate a cold option. So chilled water, you can actually touch it. No, down here. Yeah, and here for the room temperature. So we have a chiller for that to showcase that. So because we consider it a luxury, once you click on the cold, you're able to see the prices change. Now we've doubled the prices for the display purposes, and as I mentioned, we consider it a luxury in Kenya because it's not really a desert place that you need the chilled water. Yes. We realize that the issue of accessibility of water is an issue. You find people drilling boreholes, giving solutions, but the issue of accessibility becomes a problem. It needs someone to be there, and also the water becomes contaminated. So our machines are offering that solutions. Some are purified, giving a complete system, and others is a point of sale for someone who has already purified water. So we have 3 modes of payments. We have M-Pesa integration, that once you click, it asks for your number and then it sends an STK push. Then we have mobile wallets. This is now for the community and regular customers. For example, I'm situated in a marketplace. Every other person who lives within the vicinity are able to register using a card. We call them the NFC reader. Yes. So we have different formats. They come in this form of cards and other token taps that we don't have here. Then we have the token tap option. The token tap now allows me, if I have an attendant at the shop, the machine cannot allow that person to vend water as much as they have received cash until they ask for permission from the machine. So that is the 3rd option. So we have an option for the walk-ins who come with the cash, so the attendant can use token tap. Then we have M-Pesa as well for walk-in clients or just regular clients, and then we have the mobile wallets.
This is the Simatech monitoring dashboard for the machines. And now what we do here is we want to give the customer or the machine owner full control of his business. So if we look at the dashboard here, it gives us the basic, we call it the overview of what the dashboard entails, which is where the machine is located. We call it the locale, the map. We can look at it, satellite, the activities that the machine is taking, is undertaking when it's online. We also have data, how you have been doing, how the machine has been faring on revenue-wise, and you have compressed this data into hourly, into daily, into past 7 days, even up to past 30 days. And now this is just the overview. This is where when the customer or the business owner or the machine owner just want to pop in, in a quick way, just to see what is going on. But when he wants a detailed version of everything, we have analyzed it, broken into different categories. And one is you can look at the machines, you can look at where all the map is, and you can go there and you can zoom. And as you see, as I zoom, like right now, where we are at the Edge Conference Center, you can notice that at the map is showing us the quality of insurance, and you can see the 2 machines which are identified by their unique serial number, because every machine that is registered in our server and is in our cloud is registered, identified by a unique serial number. For example, we see for 0005 is what is actually in the machine, 005, and whatever is as a Huber 0001 is what is in the 001. Now, that is, you can notice the machine where it is. And not just that, if you look at the various machines we have here, they have different colors. So green stands for, of course, online or go, you know. This color, whether it's orange or brown or mustard, it refers to the machine when it's offline. When it's red, it means that the machine has a fault in the system, and that's why it is red, meaning it is not functioning as per now. And once it has been mitigated the problem, then it can be looking at the others until made online or being worked on. If we go back to you can go back to the activities and check. Once you get to the activities, this is the most interesting part, I think, for the business owner. This is where the machine owner will be able to analyze and check the activities that the machine are doing. Which are some of the activities? One, he can look and see the different mobile options or the different payment options that we have given him, made it available in the machine. So we have really made sure that our system and our dashboard will display for you in a very well articulated way, whether it is the M-Pesa, the cash, or the card, and how they are doing. So you can see, for example, here cash is 285 Kenyan shillings, which is 50 liters worth of 50 liters, 2 liters worth of 10 Kenyan shillings in card, 0 liters, so 0 Kenyan shillings in mobile payments. And that's a payment you can look. This is a dashboard you can get in touch with from past 7 days, option to today, past 24 hours, past 30 days. You can see how the machine has been, you can see the graph changing, showing how the machine has been interacting. If you go to the machine comparison, just to go through, the data can be comprised from 7 days to past 24 hours, 30 days. And this data is important for the owner of the business to look at how the machine has been performing and has been faring, how the data is relevant for him, so that when he can know what time am I making most money, which time is the machine most active, what time, which mode of payment are my consumers or my users using the most. And I think that's a very relevant information for the business owner. Just to finish, if you look at the, we have made also this information available. So if you want to reproduce this information, if your person wants to check what you're selling and you want to print this information, we have given you some options like PDF, Excel, and you can reprint this and have them and store them in your file so you can see. Also, we have called it the trend of the revenue. Past 24 hours, you can see at which time, specific time, the machine is most active and it's selling the most. And this is information that is relevant to the buyer. Just to finish, if you want to, we have also made sure that the management section, the user entails of he who owns the machine. Will be allowed, once you buy our machine, as the user or as the buyer or as the customer, will give you a unique, you'll be able to log into this dashboard using a specific or a unique email, your email and a unique password, and then you can be able to access all these features, and that you can monitor your machines wherever you are, even when you are outside the country, even when you are inside the country, in a different location. As long as you're online in data, you can have all this information. As you go and finish the cards, this is the session, the card section. This is the card section, and as you look at the card section, every card section that will be registered under the mobile wallet option will be registered in this place. The timestamp, the time that the card has been registered, the username, the unique client, the user phone number, which is again masked. Let me remind you guys that we are really caring about the information and the data of our clients. So we have masked it, and we even have back-end encryption to make sure that this information cannot be replicated. And then we have the card balance, which will be able to display the balance of the client, whether he has top up the mobile wallet or is zero balance. So I think this is basically the dashboard that the owner will be using and the customer, and that is it, guys, for today.